This should concern you right now. What did Jerome Powell just say the other day or today, whenever he said it? We're going to dive into it, folks. This is big, big news. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 4,500 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you all who have subscribed already. What did Jerome Powell say? He said, are you ready? He said, Bitcoin is like gold. Come again, Jerome? Bitcoin is a digital currency. Are we on the path to a digital currency in the United States? That's the question to be. What does he mean by that? We don't know. But is the Fed really thinking about going into some type of digital currency? Maybe even Bitcoin? Look, Bitcoin is, as the recording of this video, over $101,000 per coin. This should be very concerning, folks, to us all stackers. Not saying physical silver and gold are going to go down. No, that's just more proof right there. They don't want us to own silver and gold. This is getting crazy. Every time we turn around, there's some other thing about a digital currency. And you know what? We shouldn't really be worried about being tracked. Because we're being tracked now with our phones. We're being tracked now by your vehicles if you have a black box in your vehicle, if it's a new vehicle. Look, we're being tracked every which way. And if you don't think that's true, I got news for you, because I've said this story before on my YouTube channels. Last summer, but maybe early this spring, I went to McDonald's. I was going to the store. I was a little bit hungry. Didn't eat breakfast that morning. I went inside, got myself a sausage, egg McMuffin, hash brown, and I ordered an orange juice. 3 weeks later, Google pops up on my phone. It had the same exact order. It knew what I ordered. I didn't pull out my phone. I went up to the kiosk. Yes, I went up to the kiosk, but it knew exactly what I bought. And it even had the receipt with the transaction on that. It actually printed me receipt, but I actually got the receipt from McDonald's that way too. The email for the shop, folks, has been a little bit crazy since this news broke about Jerome Powell saying this. I'm getting more people coming trying to buy silver and gold. People starting to, I don't want to say panic. They're getting concerned. Let me put it that way. We don't know if this is going to happen or not. But if this does happen, where the government actually goes into a digital Bitcoin thing, digital currency, I'll ask this to Jerome Powell. He's welcome on this channel any single time he wants to. Just email me, Jerome Powell, and let's get you on the channel. Because how are you going to put a Bitcoin in your cell phone to make it work? How are you going to put Bitcoin into electronics to make them work? How are you going to trade Bitcoin when the power is out? How are you going to pay that farmer for those vegetables or for that meat when the power goes out? Folks, silver and gold has always been money. Silver and gold have been money for over 5,000 years. Silver and gold are not going away. This got me a little bit concerned today of what I seen him say today, where he said Bitcoin is just like gold. My butt, it's just like gold. I don't like Bitcoin. If you like Bitcoin, that's fine. I'm happy to have you here. Buy what you want. I've always said that on this channel. I'm not here to criticize Bitcoin for other people. If that's what you're into, great. I wish everybody the best who's into Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. I'm not. I own some mining stocks. That is it. And I will let you guys know the two top mining stocks that I own. And I don't mind sharing that. First Mining Gold and Silver Mountain. I'm not telling you to go buy it. Stocks are risky, just like Bitcoin is to me risky. I've not done so well in those stocks, but I can tell you, back in 1929, when the collapse happened, the mining stocks did very, very well. Are we going into a reset where the mining stocks are going to do very well? We know other countries are buying up gold and silver. We know the central banks are buying up gold. We know banks in America are hoarding silver. Why aren't the rest of the American people in Canada doing the same thing? We're getting little bits and dabs what's going on, folks. 2025 might be one heck of a year for silver and gold. Yeah, I can see the price of silver going to $50, $60 in 2025. I can see 3,000 plus gold in 2025. We're not far from those numbers now. People keep saying to me, Chris, silver has not hit $50 since 2011. Well, let's be glad it's not at $50 right now. This is giving us more time to stack, folks. Especially if you're new to stacking, be grateful of the lower prices. I still wish it was still $22 an ounce. And people were on my channel and other channels saying it's going to 17. I remember when I was on Ron's Basement, people were saying back then, when silver was $22 an ounce, it's going back to 17, and I made it very clear. I did not think that was going to happen again. And guess what? We haven't seen $17 silver in a while. I don't see sub $28 silver happening anytime soon. I don't think we're going to see below $2,400 gold anytime soon. It's the system is in play. The banks are still buying, central banks are still buying gold. They're not buying Bitcoin. Sorry, Bitcoin people, but they're not buying the Bitcoin right now. So with that being said, yeah, I'm a little bit worked up when I saw that. I was making a whole different type of video today for you folks, but this was more important to get out to you with this information. We got interest rates cuts coming more so in December 18th. The talk on the street right now is another quarter point base cut is going to happen. That is going to be rocket fuel for silver and gold. Maybe not right off the cuff, all right? I do think we're going to see a little bit of pullback after that rate cut. Then I think, like I said this morning, I do believe shortly after the first of the year, we're going to start seeing silver and gold tick up and tick up and tick up. Maybe I'm wrong. This is not telling you to go buy silver or gold. I've said before, I don't care if you buy silver and gold. I don't care what company you buy it from. I don't care what coin shop you buy it from. I don't care if you buy it from Mickey Mouse. All I care about is if you're going to buy it, make sure it's real. That's all I care about. If you folks need help finding the best price for your silver and gold, please email me. If you're new, if you're not new to stacking and you're having a hard time finding the best price or you question the price you're seeing, I'm happy to help you. Just email me. I get back within 48 hours, and sometimes within 20 minutes, depending on the time of day you email me. I check my email constantly to keep up with the emails. I'm always happy to help anybody out there, especially if you're new. It don't matter if you've been stacking 40 years, I'm still going to help you. If you don't, there's no stupid, remember this, folks, there's no stupid question when it comes to stacking real physical silver and gold. And I ain't talking about the gosh darn paper price. I'm talking about real physical silver, gold, platinum. I'm not a big platinum fan. I don't know a lot about platinum. We don't sell it a lot at the shop. I will tell you, I'm just being honest with you. We just don't. We probably sell 2, maybe 3 ounces a week of platinum at the shop. Some weeks we just sell 0 ounces of platinum. The mega thing what we're selling right now is silver. Next thing is gold. So people are gobbling up the 90%. As soon as we can get it in, they're gobbling it up as fast as we can get it in. We are scouring eBay for the shop right now. When we got some downtime, the team is scouring eBay for any 90% silver deals that we can make a little bit of money off of that, and that is what we're doing. We're putting in some crazy offers. You know, like I've said this morning, folks, you know, it's okay to put in a crazy offer. We don't know what people are going to take. It's not because you're trying to rip them off. If they're willing to take it, why not? At that point, you know, and we act totally different in the coin shop. We're going to be totally honest with people at the coin shop when they come in. eBay is, you know, it's like an open yard sale, flea market, whatever you want to call it. When people list on eBay, my take is they better know what they're selling, because if I don't get it, somebody else is going to get it, and who knows, you might even find yourself a good deal on eBay if you shop on eBay. So, to recap, is it a good time to buy silver and gold? I'm going to leave that up to you, okay? I'm not here trying to push silver and gold. I got nothing to tell you. There's no links in my description. Go buy it here, go buy it here. No, all right? Like I said, I don't care where you buy it. So, to recap this video, are you scared of this talk by Jerome Powell, or do you think it's all talk? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments on this video. And if you have not yet liked the video, please tap the like. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Let's help me get me to 5,000 subscribers by the end of December. And if you not share this, and if you find this shareable information to share out, please share it with one other person. Let's get the word out. Let's wake up America. Until the next video that I put out, I will see you then.